Welcome. In front of me is a Niteo Tools Titan, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. And to get started, we will need something that is in the background, which is a screwdriver, a flathead, and from there let's just lock this up. Now I already did unscrew one of the screws, so this is a little bit easier for me, but as you can see there's two screws, one over here and one over here. So simply unscrew both of them. There we go. Pop off the cover, and from here you have the battery. Now to take it out, it's also not really easy, but you have to apply a little bit of force to push it down from the top, like so, and out, and it should come out, as you can see. So basically you start from the top by pushing it down and then just out. And in here you have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. Now I believe I will need the conversion right here, if not even the bigger one. It looks like I need the bigger one, so unfortunately I won't be able to put in a SIM card, but basically the same as SD card. You kind of take it, assuming you have the biggest one, and you place it in as it's kind of shown in the image right here. So let me just kind of grab this one. So this is, well, still too small, but you basically put it in like so, with the cutout being on the top left corner. Now I'm gonna insert the SD card, so it goes like so, and then simply pop in the battery back in there, and there we go, and that should be good enough. So let's turn on the device. So once it's on, you will see that, well, the SD card is working, but SIM card I wasn't able to insert, but you should have a fairly good idea on how to insert it. The downside is you do need the biggest one. So let me quickly unlock it. So there's the SD card. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.